How to fix SNS Bank app not working. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Now at the very top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in the app name SNS Bank and then search for it. With that, app will appear. After app appears, at the right corner of it, you're going to see the option of open or update. If you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Solution 2. Clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings. Now scroll down. Navigate to the option of General. Head over to the option of iPhone Storage. Over here, you're going to find different apps that are installed in your device. Find the app SNS. After you find the app, open it. Then click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If all these solutions doesn't work for you, what you can do is completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. To do that, go ahead and click on the option of Delete app. Click on Delete app. With that, you just deleted this app from your device. Now you can close this. Launch your App Store or Play Store. Search for the app SNS. After app appears, install it. By following these solutions, your problem will be fixed. This is how you can fix SNS Bank app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.